why you run like that though?
Because he ain't gonna do my room.
Oh, no. He finna. So, y'all, I am Roshell CEO.
I am Shemaya.
We just gonna edit that out, okay? But, okay, we go. Who are you? Say hi.
Hi,
She
hello.
is Shemaya.
I am Shemaya.
Oh, she didn't say that, huh?
No.
She the oldest.
How?
But anyway, tune back into me. Tune back into me because this is my show. This is my TV channel, okay?
Sure.
But yeah, I'm Roshell CEO and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, then you already know. Well, actually, if you're new here, you don't know. But hit the subscribe button so you can find out. And I'm finna wash this wig. Her name is Angela. Okay, so this gonna be my second install on this bad baby. Look at her. Look at her. Get a good look at her. Okay, it's my second install. She got like that brown, honey brown, goldish vibes. And yeah, I was debating between her and my baby, because literally I named that one my baby because she like my second lace front, but like my first one that like I really like and is what I wanted, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna do an install on her another day, but right now we're talking about Angela, okay? So we're just gonna talk about Angela. But yeah, I'm gonna wash her because you know she looking a little rough or whatever, but we're gonna get her together and I'm gonna snap her back right, snap her right back right, you know. I think I'm gonna cut some more lace, but yeah, whatever, you'll see all the details. Never mind that corner because that's all my business stuff. In that corner, all of that. I'm working on moving, and I need a glam room. So we're gonna work on that because, baby, gotta work on that credit score. And I'm gonna watch her. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, and if y'all like my video, if you make it to the end, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to like and comment. So Maya about to braid my hair. She about to give me like 4 or 5 big braids to the back. So when I install my lace front, it'll be right. And I'm gonna show y'all the end results because she just started braiding. It's actually very great. Let me find that for y'all because chilling. But yeah, I'm gonna click back into y'all. Y'all see I gotta get my nails done. This one coming off too, I think, but I really don't like taking them off. I really they just fall off. But yeah, it look like I'm gonna have to do some taking off because or when I go to the shop, I think I ain't going to get my nails done until probably I gotta look at my schedule and see. But I'm gonna click get back with y'all after I wash my lace front, and of course after she get done braiding my hair. Ow!
You must be tender-headed.
It took a lot of hardship, lessons learned how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact that we grow now, baby. You can let it take away, drift away, can go to waste now. I say it's strange, thinking you play,
Just gonna put her thing or head, whatever the hell it is. You know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give me a wig stand though. I was gonna put this one in, but I decided to do the, like, I don't even know what color this is. I believe it's like lime brown. I don't know, it's giving me like brown for sure. Like, that's definitely giving like a brownish, goldish, honey color. Yeah, like all of them together. But yeah. Never mind my desk. I probably already said that, but it is real loud stuff. It is real loud. I have to fix this. I got some of this. It was $7.99, and I'm gonna just put this on. What else I wanted to put on here? Hold on, I need to grab some. Oh, here. Didn't have to go nowhere. I definitely gotta invest in me a wig stand for sure. Soon. I'm just going on Amazon and order it. That's all. I'm gonna do that not Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday I'm gonna do. Just go on Amazon and order one. Just so I can stop saying I'm gonna get one. Cause I be saying I'm gonna get stuff and I be steady forgetting to get it. Or I be getting other stuff when I should have got what I said I was gonna get. Cause baby, I love to shop. But let me see. She look thick. A little thick. You better stop. I'm just gonna spur it down. I ain't gonna do nothing more. Just gonna put some of this stuff in her curves while she's sitting here and dry. And then tomorrow when I lay her down, that's when I'll do my baby hairs and all of that stuff. Cause like, I'm just not starting to like really lay these wigs down the way I've been laying them down, you know what I'm saying? And I know it's gonna get better and greater. So I feel like I lay my baby hairs better when it's on my head. Okay. Because I'm not a pro at this. I just started doing this. So definitely when it's on my head, I can lay my baby hairs down. But not saying by the time I get that wig head, then I feel like I'll be good because the wig head is way more support. So I'm pretty sure I'll be able to do it then. But with this thing, it's a no-go, definitely. So these are the vibes Angela giving. And y'all will see her laid to the max tomorrow. But that's it for now. And I'm finna lay down. So to go work out in the morning. So, listen, put that in there. Yeah. So I'm going to work out in the morning, so that will be included in the vlog. So y'all will see me then. And I'll show you probably a little bit of my routine that I do or whatever. But yeah, my old channel is Roshell CEO. And I don't even know what I want to make this channel. I feel like this is like my new beginning. Like, I gotta start all over with subscribers, likes, comments, you know what I'm saying? And I was just growing on the old channel. So I definitely want to make this channel better, more entertaining, just more sponsorships, more everything, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so like, it's just a new beginning. New year, new YouTube channel, new beginning, period. This channel gonna go harder than the other channel, period. It's just gonna be real. It's all me, period. Period might be my new word for the new year. But yeah, make sure you tune in. So, okay. I really don't feel like blow drying it. So, hopefully it do what it needs to do without me having to blow dry it. I don't feel like doing it. Just trying to let it quickly install. I'm gonna got some more brushes. paintbrushes, and I be using them. For everything. This one I use for my wig tint. Well, lace, shit. What I said. And then this end I use for my glue to put on my eyelashes. Like, I got a whole bunch of them. But this one I'm finna just use for this. If it's still good, because the little top part had fell off, so I just kept it off. And I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's see. So yeah, I think it's dried up, so we won't be using this. It's a no-go. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, I'm gonna throw it away though. I'm gonna throw the whole damn thing away. That part. So I'm gonna have to go get my blow dryer since I can't be lazy. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. So I have laid it down, and I'm just making sure it's laid to the max. Laid where all I put the little bonding glue at. So I ran out of got to be, well, it was just a little bit whatever. So I made this work, okay? Because what I didn't have time was to be messing up a stocking cap that I just used. And I didn't have time to be not finishing the install that, I just started. Like, it just didn't make sense. So sometimes you gotta make it work. And that's what I did. I made it work. But I'm thinking I'm finna get ready and do my baby hairs and see how that turned out. So I'm finna do my baby hairs, and then after that I'm gonna lay down. I'm gonna put this up instead of pony. I really don't know how I want to part my hair. Oh, hell no. This whole time. Ain't that some shit? Now, that's some little shit. But anyway, I didn't even know I was recording. But this is the wet look or whatever. And I had did my edges, laid my edges down. And this is just the wet look. Feel me if it move, y'all. Hey. So tomorrow I will part and the finished look. But yeah, just envision it with my baby hair laid down to the max. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, you can vision it, you can see it, but it's very much given what is needs to be given, I think. I mean, I say so myself. It's very much given what needs to be given, okay? Period. So, y'all pray these baby hairs lay down straight, and I'm gonna hit y'all back in the morning when I get cute. I don't really have plans. I'm off tomorrow, so I'm probably just gonna get cute for no reason. But hey, I could take some pictures. You know the vibes. I'ma holla. tired. I just ran up these damn steps. Back to back. What, 3 times? 1, 2, 3. Whew. I'm tired. So I'm finna go take Maya to school. Then I'm gonna come home and probably do social media pics. So yeah, let me hit y'all back. Okay, y'all. So I'm back at the house now, and I really just want to straighten up a couple things. Got my waist trainer on. I got this from this girl that I work with. Her name Tiandra Petit. I think I said her last name right, Petit. But I can't give you her information if you want to hit her up. It's her and her sister-in-law business. So it's T and Fee. I do believe that's correct. But this waist trainer is the first waist trainer that I bought. You know what I'm saying? That I can really just fit. I have bought a lot of waist trainers, but this is the first one that I can really fit. You know what I'm saying? And it's only an extra large. So like, and it really snatches you in. And you got these little things that you can make it tighter or whatever. Like you. So I love it. I love how you can adjust it. I love how you can make it tighter, looser. Because, you know, sometimes you be having this thing on, you be like, can't breathe, and you need to loosen it up. You can loosen it up, and you still be sweating. I have literally wore this to work a couple times, and they say you're supposed to keep it on more. I mean, like, from, I believe they said from 4 to 7 hours you're supposed to keep the waist trainer on. Don't quote me on that, but I have kept it on literally like me working the whole day of work, or half of the day of work, took it off and be sweating and have it on just like this over my shirt and still be sweating. So, you know what I'm saying? You should feel me. Like, you can put it over your shirt, you still gonna get some results, you know? So, yeah. Check it out. Alright. But, yeah, I'm finna make some iced coffee. No, don't make some iced coffee. I got 1 load to wash, and I'll be done. So, I don't know, but I've been on my laptop trying to recover my email because my RoshellCeo page is so dope. Like, I've been on YouTube since February. So, this February coming up, it'll be a year. And I am excited, and I don't want to lose that page. So, y'all wish me luck because I'm trying to, like, recover my emails, and I'm logged on my email on my laptop though, so I can be on the Google, I could be on the YouTube, whatever. So I'm just gonna edit in my video and transfer it from my phone to my laptop. Hopefully that worked out right or whatever. Like, I just had transferred some pictures over and it was doing okay. Some of the files it wasn't reading, but I'm gonna go ahead and edit in my video on my phone first and then switch over. So yeah, just pray for me, because I mean, hopefully you're gonna have a camera soon, because, like, you know, I be want to be on my phone and be on you know, record and be on my phone at the same damn time. You feel me? But right now, so yeah. This one's still wet. champagne glasses. Well, y'all probably can't see them, but that box right there is my champagne glasses. And when I just my bad. When I just so happened to got drunk, last 2 weeks ago, whatever, is when I lost my phone when my bestie was here. When I tell you we partied, okay? We had fun. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed her. For real. I need to put this in quickly. But that's when I lost my damn phone or whatever. And anyway, because I just be talking, but yeah, I was able to use my champagne glasses. They are so cute. You see them? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get more into champagne glasses because I've been seeing some of my girls on YouTube been using some pretty ones, like real bougie. So this is me right now, basic, but yeah, get into it because baby, we will be upgrading them glasses. But when I tell you I don't have company and I don't do nothing, I didn't even have nobody to, you know what I'm saying, open up the glasses for. So when she came, they gave me somebody to open them up for. And we was real bougie around here. Real bougie. With our little glasses. Then we went to the strip club. Yeah, we went to the strip club, we went to the bar. We had fun, you know, just enjoying life, because life is short. And like, out of anything, you need to enjoy life, period. I done put my trash can outside and I need to go get that. I need to put these. Yeah. So when I go shopping, thinking about going shopping Wednesday. Well, I don't know, because I don't know when I'm off again. But, I mean, either way, probably going to get my nails done Wednesday. So, I don't know if I want to get my nails done or if I want to keep not done. I don't know. Like, I'm having mixed feelings. Like, I missed my nails, so I went and got them done. And now, like, when they come off, they just remind me on how they messed up my real bed on my nails, so make me not want them. I be having mixed feelings with these nails. Like, the press-ons even mess up your skin. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't do it as bad as the regular nails do, but it still mess up your skin. So, I don't know. I'm probably gonna leave it at 2, like, real deal. Like, probably gonna leave it at 2. I plan on I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of shit. We moving soon, so I just need to shop for the house, shop for this house, shop for the new house. And then we can just move to the new house. We need to upgrade a lot of shit. Fold all these clothes up. Let's see. Let's see if my baby hair stay laid to the max. I'm going to take this ponytail down. This is a good wig, I tell you that. Like, the texture, I can feel how great it is. And it's Remy hair for sure. So, I don't think I did an unboxing on this wig. Did I do an unboxing? I don't think I did, but this is the wig. Full and lace wig. And it's Remy. I mean, you can see it right there too. 100% human hair. It's good. So now, only thing I got left to do is fold these clothes. And that's it. Let's see if my baby hair stayed down though. Let's see if my baby hairs. The struggle. Hey, the struggle is real, but them baby hairs stayed down. The struggle is real. Put them baby here. This lip gloss is the first lip gloss that I came out with. It's my lip gloss. I don't know if I'm going to sell lip gloss again. Or if I don't know. I might not. Haven't decided yet. But if I do, you'll be the first to know. Like, this wig is every fucking thing. For real. You need me. Okay. Get into it, yeah. What is up here? Like, I feel like when I get my wig head, I'm gonna be able to, like, you know what I'm saying, lay my baby hairs, well, cut them and clean them, you know, make them look more, this is more realer. It's like a wig stand, whatever. But I am really getting better at installing these wigs. It is pretty. I love this one. Definitely feeling the color, feeling it, like, I'm feeling it. So, you know, I'm just getting used to doing these. So I'll get better and better eventually. Alright. I got clothes to fold. This. But yeah, that's as good as it's gonna get. Oh, I thought I slammed all kinds of different ways. Never mind this phone because, as I just had said, I lost my other phone. So this is my replacement, and I can't wait to get my 13 because iPhone 8, it'll do, but it's definitely not giving me the vibes that my 12 was giving me. You feel me? So, what you see is what you get, what you get. Get into it, yeah. Yeah, y'all. I'm finna fold these clothes and watch some YouTube. Well, first, I think I'm about to make me a little small breakfast and then fold these clothes. So, we'll see. But make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Because we lit. Who want to help me fold these clothes, though? Because if I show y'all these baskets, baby, it's 3 baskets. Never mind that one basket is big as hell. So, I'm just going to run through this real quick and get this shit up out the way. I'm going to tune back into y'all. Maybe when I make my breakfast. I don't know if I want to do my breakfast and then this. Or if I might. I don't know how I want to do this. But I'm definitely feeling this wig. Okay. Lace front, you hear me? Come through. Push through. Okay. This right here is 5 days of hard work. 5 days of me working and not folding, washing, and putting them right here. This is 5 days, okay? You know what? I had 2 days off, so this is my second day off, so this will be the day that we continue this task. You feel me? But yeah, anybody want to volunteer? I'll take all the help I can get. My desk area need to be clean. Desk area need to be clean, but them the vibes. No love, like, oh my god, I love this song so much. Superstars.
Who went up at McDonald's for the laundry? Hi, can I get a 2 for $3? No, a 2 for $3. No, a 2 for $3.
She said 2 for 3
Yes,
about 3
I'm gonna
times.
do the double cheeseburger flag and a small fry. For a drink, can I get a large sweet tea?
My girl, go check her out. Well, I got a couple girls on here that I love to watch, but
A 2
Chelsea
for
is
$3.
crazy.
Alright, so now, now I am headed to wash my floor. I am dreading doing the floor. I don't like going through the whole car wash thing. It gives me very bad anxiety, so I don't want to do that. But my car is clean, and I like to
We could
sometimes
be
clean up my
superstars.
car because it makes me feel like and one thing I am is an independent black woman.
INDEPENDENT.
So yeah,
You know what that means?
I got some car to wash.
I work hard. Bad, bro. If you don't sit down, you don't sit down.
Take everything off. So this is my outfit of today. I got on Louis Vuitton scarf, H&M turtleneck. These are, I think, Fashion Over jeans. They were kind of hot water, so I just like cupped them up. And these are Fashion Over boots. And I'm carrying down the bag. Dion and I are finally going to
See me now.
together. So super excited. It's
I'm still watching my girl on YouTube. I'm trying to get through folding all these clothes. I got one more basket left. Well, I got a bag, the big basket, which is probably like a basket and a half.
I want to go
Then that basket right there.
because I want to go to Uggs. I had a pair of boots. I swear to God, I had a pair of boots. I thought it was in
This
my
iced
drawer.
coffee,
I sent the out.
Try.
They didn't see it. They probably.
once you go, you never go back. Once you get some iced coffee, you'll never go back, period. Like,
every single day. So
I'm so hooked on iced coffee, it don't make no sense. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Don't judge me.
Hi guys. So, whew, I am full as a pig.
right here. I got like a little bit more clothes to fold. I'm gonna go ahead and fold them and hang them up. Get that situated, and that should be good. So, if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to go like and comment.